Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the charts of Euro, USD and GBP USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, after the long downside on the chart of DXY, finally we can see that DXY is trying to take support. DXY is trying to survive above the crucial support of 100.50. And DXY, okay, is trying its best to survive above this level, because if market breaks 100.50, DXY will be heading towards double digit, means 99. And if we look at the market sentiment, we can see dollar gains on yen weakness and higher treasury note yields. So market is trying to recover. For example, you can see dollar rose by 0.11%. Dollar on Friday posted moderate gains in weakness in the yen after the Bank of Japan refrained from tightening monetary policy. But if you look at the chart here, then we do not see a good amount of recovery, or recovery convincing enough to consider it as a trend reversal, because technically, yes, the market is trying to take support around 100.5, but still we can see the market is still very much bearish. Market doesn't have the strength to go up from here. And if we just observe the market structure, then the market structure is saying that market is unable to go up and market is constantly forming lower highs here. And formation of lower highs and a support indicates that we are having a descending triangle pattern. I do not talk much about patterns, but here market is slowly forming a descending triangle pattern. And descending triangle pattern is a bearish pattern. Means in most of the descending triangle patterns, we see market breaking the support and going down. So to go up from here, dollar needs a solid recovery. Dollar needs to cross 102 level. Then only we can consider that finally US dollar index or DXY is going for recovery. Until and unless DXY crosses 102 level, it will be under pressure. And as I have already shown you guys, that right now we have lower highs and a support, means a descending triangle pattern formation. So still there is a high chance that market will be going down because of the increase in selling pressure. So let's wait and watch, because uh, time will speak. Okay. My dear friends, as you guys already know, the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop has started. The Hindi classes have started from yesterday, and the English classes are going to start from the next Friday. So if you guys are interested, you are most welcome to participate, because it's a 7 days workshop followed by 1 month support for those people who are struggling with the market, unable to make money for the last couple of months and years. These are the dates here. You can see English class starting on 27th of this month, and these are the dates for the weekly sessions. These are the topics that we will be discussing during the workshop. You can see no fancy topics like Elliott waves, Ichimoku order blocks, FVG, no, nothing as such. Okay, we will only discuss those topics that we need to learn to survive in the market and to make money. And yes, we will mostly focus on the emotional and psychological discipline. These are the things that we'll be getting after the workshop, like the lot size calculator, risk management guide. And as I said, okay, I'll be giving 1 month support, means you will be added to a WhatsApp group where you will receive regular market updates, analysis, so that you can understand how to proceed daily. And I will also add you to our community, Telegram community, where you can meet other traders from all around the world. These are topics for the weekly classes, and all classes are conducted over Google Meet. Okay, no need to worry. Okay, if you cannot attend also, I record each and every session, so you can watch later. The best part is the fees. My dear friends, you can see 7 days workshop with 1 month support is only $20 or rupees 1500. And I have also semi-annual and lifetime support, because trading is a journey. Trading takes time. Sometimes okay, it takes couple of months. Sometimes it takes years also. So if you're looking for personal sessions, WhatsApp support from me, then you can consider joining the semi-annual or lifetime support, where you'll be getting personal sessions from me and lifetime WhatsApp support. And these are the payment methods. Okay, once you're done with the payment, just share a screenshot to this number. I will add you to the group. Let's look at the chart of Euro USD now. If we just observe the overall trend of the market here, then we can see the overall market is bullish. But after FOMC, we can see the market is choppy. Market doesn't have a clear trend, because previously market was forming higher highs, higher lows, but here the story changed a little bit, because market is no longer forming higher highs here. So things are not very clear right now. But we cannot deny or ignore the fact that dollar index is still under pressure. It is trying to survive above 100.5, but yes, technically the things are not very positive. So if DXY breaks 100.5 and head towards double digit 99 level, then obviously we will see upside on Euro USD, GBP USD. So if you're having a buy on Euro USD right now, then hold your buy position, no need to exit until and unless a news comes out to save DXY. Okay, if DXY, okay, okay, if DXY is starts showing recovery, then you can exit. But until unless the pressure remains, you can continue with your buy position. And if you're looking for fresh position on Euro USD, then considering all the factors, it will be better for us and safer for us to look for buy at retracement only. So on the chart of Euro USD, you can see I have drawn few lines here. So let's discuss one by one. But before that, I would like to take you to the Forex chart of Euro USD and show you the range here. You can see on the chart of Euro USD, this is the range right now. 1.1200 on the upside and 1.1000 on the downside. So this is the overall range of Euro USD. So on Monday or Tuesday, okay, if we get a selling opportunity around 1.1200, then we can look for a sell position as well. And if Euro USD breaks 1.1200, then okay, then immediately you need to see what is going on the chart of DXY. If DXY is not giving you confirmation, then just avoid the buy at breakout. If market again comes for retracement, then we can look for buy later on, but immediately taking a buy at breakout can be very risky. Okay, so if we get an opportunity to sell at 1.1200, we can look for a sell as well. Now let's look at the other opportunities. So to discuss the other opportunities, my dear friend, we need our beloved FIBO. Okay, so here you can see if market comes down, then we can look for a support around this particular area here, which is FIBO 50% retracement level, which is 1.1125. FIBO 50% retracement level, it should work and provide support to the market here. And the second level, okay, that is in front of us is around 1.111 to this area, FIBO 61.8% retracement level. And you can see the 200 moving average is also coming up. Okay, so we can expect that around 1.1112, not only FIBO 61.8, but also we will be having the 200 moving average. So if Euro USD comes down for retracement, we can look for buy around these two areas. Okay, and also we have a support at a 1.1095, but this is far away. So let's focus on these two particular portions of the chart only. 1.1125, 1.1112 if market takes support. Keep in mind, confirmation is important. Do not trade blindly. So this is the chart of GBP USD in front of us right now, and unlike Euro USD, GBP USD is more bullish because Euro USD is flat. Okay, Euro USD is choppy, but here you can see that GBP USD, okay, is still trying to maintain the market structure with it, which is higher highs and higher lows. So respecting the ongoing market structure, it is better for us to be on the buy position as of now. During the weekend or by next week, if any news comes out, okay, and that changes the direction of the market, that's a different story. But at this moment, we do not have any strong fundamental factor that will bring a trend reversal. So at this moment, it is better for us to look for buy positions only if we are looking for new positions in the market. If you're already having a buy, you are on a buy, then continue with your buy position. And if you're stuck on a sell, then try to exit at retracement. But because here also, okay, here also we have seen good amount of upside in the previous week, and this upside may continue and no sign of reversal yet. So where can we look for buy position on the chart of GBP USD? Here, my dear friends, okay, we can look for first buy position around 1.3260. Where? 1.3260. This is our first level where we can look for a buy position because of FIBO 50% retracement, sorry, 23.6% retracement level. Along with that, we can see the previous resistance will also be acting as support. 1.3260 to 1.3250 is the first level where you can look for a buy, and the second level where you can look for a buy if market shows deeper retracement is 1.3220 to 1.3210. You can see here we have support plus FIBO 38.2% retracement level, and the previous resistance will be working as support. So these are the two levels where we can look for a buy on the chart of GBP USD if GBP USD shows deep retracement. Okay, and if you're already having a buy on the chart of GBP USD, no need to exit because further upside is possible. The next resistance on the chart of GBP USD is around 1.3400. This is the next resistance, and still we have upside possible. We have space left on GBP USD, and moreover, dollar index is also weak. Okay, and stay in touch with the news. Any news, okay, will be important. Okay, will bring volatility to the market. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye, take care. I have not discussed about buy and breakout here because it is better for us to buy and retracement only. Okay, that's all, my dear friends. Bye bye, take care.